Made in the USA or imported. Polyester lining. Zipper closure. 18 shoulder drop. Fun functional. Colorful, exciting characters and patterns make this luggage super stylish. Your child is sure to find something they love with a variety of designs offered. Don't forget to make it a set with other coordinating Stephen Joseph products or customize it to make it your own. Carry-on size. With multiple pockets and plenty of space to pack, this luggage is carry-on sized and ready to roll. Measuring 14.5 x 18 by 6.5, they're great for kids to travel with and easy for parents to manage too. Special features. With accessible, zipper pockets and fun designs that even include glitter accents, there are plenty of awesome features that make this luggage stylish and smart. An extendable handle for easy rolling makes travel simple for kids. Multiple outside compartments also help you simply and organize your child's belongings, no matter how far they travel. High quality. With a sturdy construction and durable polyester exterior, you can be assured this bag is made to last through plenty of wear and tear. Sturdy wheels and exterior hardware will make it the perfect bag to use for your next vacation. Top reviews from the United States. Not sure I would fly with it, but great for road trips. It's cute and functional. Good size for kids. As a frequent flyer and understanding what a bag can go through, I am not sure if this would hold up more than a few trips. But for road trips and 2-night stays, it's perfect for giving kids that bit of independence.